Hi, this is Justin from the Greater Nanticoke Area School District, and today we're going to talk a little bit about how to sign in to your child's Google account in order to access Google Classroom. Start by opening up a web browser. In my case here, I'm using the Google Chrome web browser, which is definitely recommended for this. And as you can see up here, in the top right-hand corner, we have an account already signed in. You may have personal accounts at home that you already have your own personal Gmail signed in on your home computer. That's perfectly fine. All you have to do is click in this upper right-hand corner, this icon, and then click Add Another Account. And this is where you're going to enter your child's email address that has been assigned to them by the Greater Nanticoke Area School District. So in my case, I've created an account, a test account for a fake John Smith student. So he is in the graduating class of 28. So he is a C28, Smith J, because our usernames are always C, and then the number of the graduating class that they will be in, so in our case 28, and then last name, first initial, so C28 Smith J, and you always have to make sure you put in at GNASD.com, and then we'll click next. And then you've also been likely assigned a default temporary password that it will ask you to change on first login. This is something if you do not know, or if you've forgotten your password, you will have to contact the help desk at gnasd.com to have this information given to you or to have your password reset. So I'm going to type in our temporary password that we have for this account. I'm going to click next. And you can save this password if you like. In my case, I'm just doing this for temporary purposes, so I'm not going to save this, but you can. And you'll have this instructions come up if done correctly. Welcome to your new account, and you'll accept these terms and conditions. And then the first thing it's going to do is going to ask you to create a password. It has to be at least 8 digits long, and make sure you write down whatever password you use, because if you forget it, you're going to have to be emailing the help desk for a reset. So I'm going to create a temporary fake password here for ourselves. And if the password is strong enough, it will just simply let you into your classroom. As you can see up here, the color of the icon has changed. And if you click on that, it says we are now signed in with our example student here, John Smith, C28 Smith J at gnasd.com. From here, you can go to your Google search and look for Classroom. The top link will be classroom.google.com. You can click on that. And you can see we have some test Google Classrooms already added to this account. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, you may not have any of these already assigned to you. If you're given a code by a teacher, the way you register that code to your Google Classroom account is in this upper right-hand corner. You click Create or Join a Class, and then Join Class. And then if you have, you would enter the classroom code here. And that is just a quick, brief introduction on how to sign into your child's Google account and to how to get to Google Classroom. See you in the next video.